I am the Backend Handyman. I fix things as cheap as I can, which is often all by myself. I am not a professional. May not be done the right way, but it's done my way. I assume no responsibility if you attempt the same thing and damage anything. iPhone 12 Pro Max screen and earpiece replacement. This is a phone I got really mad and I threw and I broke it. As you can see, I shattered the backside of it. But that there is covered by the case, which it was in. So it didn't necessarily protect this phone from being thrown against the house. But this is all cracked and it's starting to catch my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the glass because this one has more memory than that one. Turn it off. I got this from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. I think it's like 160 bucks or 130 or something like that. Oh, look at that. Fancy, fancy, smancy. There's the glass. Oh, it actually comes with a screen protector too. And the glass comes with the glue. It even comes with one of these, which the phones don't even come with these anymore. This is a magnet to put the screws on. We got some. Oh boy. Comes with that screwdriver. Star 0.8 comes with this one, which is a Y 0.6, and it comes with this one, which is just a star, and it has the swivel so you can spin it. Those are nice. I like those. I guess they would call this a pentaloop. Like always, there's 2 screws in the bottom. That's how good this mat works. Okay. Yeah, they stick pretty good. See, the problem I've had in the past with screwdrivers I get with these kits is they don't fit. I mean, that'd be the right shape, but unfortunately, they wouldn't be small enough to get into that little pentaloop. So now, of course, get to heat it up. The kit comes with this. Let's see how good this one works. Don't heat it up with that on there. Luckily, I've done it a few times, so I got extras. Probably shouldn't use your pocket knife on your phone when you're trying to open it up with all the electronics in it. That just really isn't the best and brightest idea. However, the kit didn't actually come with the pry tool. It comes with some plastic ones, which are usually good for removing the little electronic connectors and things like that. But you bend and break and smash them down when you try to pull off the screen. This screen however, the hardest one I've ever had to take off. It is for sure the truth when it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I would like to go ahead and point out, when I opened this, I did it on the volume button side. And that's actually the side that has the cables, the power ribbons for the LCD screen, the digitizer, and, unfortunately, the earpiece that you hear from. So make sure you open it from the power side, unlike me, which opened it from the volume side, because you'll cut them cables right in half if you're not careful. So open it the opposite side that I did to save any damage to them cables. It opens just like a book, but when you open it from the wrong side and you cut the cables, it just opens however you want. So that's definitely one way to get her done. Jeez. I guess it opens from this side. Yep, I cut both of those. So the power side, damn it. Now I need that part because I just cut it. Oopsie daisy. That blows. Well, I guess now I'll order that part. But in the meantime, never hurts to go ahead and take the rest of the phone apart. Get ready for it, right? No sense in getting all upset about it. Jeez. Alright, now we have 4 screws up here. Now, when I say tri-way, it's like a Phillips, but it only has 3 sides. A Phillips screwdriver has 4. So all the little connector cover screws that are in here on the actual phone side of things are tri-ways. Now, the display side of things, there's 2 that's tri-way and 2 that's Phillips. Don't ask me why they do that. They just do. But this kit comes with the screwdriver, so no big deal really. And you got the 4 little screws on the cable for the earpiece, and then you got the 4 little screws on the cable for the digitizer, LCD, and the power. Which, of course, you probably want to take off the power first. That way you can go ahead and disconnect it. That way you don't short anything out while you're in it. I have done that before, and that really sucks when you do that. Make sure you don't lose any of these little screws. I also set the screws up on the Mac, kind of how they came out of the phone. See how it has like a grid style. You can put like a space in between where one is at in the middle. You can put one in the top, one in the bottom. You know, you can lay it out on that little mat, just how it looks coming out the phone. Yeah, you don't want to use metal knife on the battery. Go ahead and disconnect that and that. There's the part I've cut right there. Here's the new part. Link will be in the description. It comes with these cheap little video screwdrivers. So if for some reason the speaker just quits working on your phone, this is what you would order if your headset was just messed up. But however, I cut mine when I was replacing the screen. So there we go. This is the part I cut. Yay. Pretty dang close. Now we just put this. Okay. Now, bring this over here. Now what we get to do is we get to remove the glue. The old glue that ran around for the old screen. Now, compared to the other iPhones I fixed in the past, the glue on this is just ridiculously pain in the butt to get off. You sit there and you stretch it and you scratch it. Make sure you go all the way around and you get all of that glue off, because if you leave any piece of that little glue strip on there, your phone screen will not fit flush. Now also on this model, I don't know about the few recent models that I haven't tried to fix yet, but this model, it has little prongs right by the edge before the glue strip that hold up and press on the LCD assembly. I don't really know what those are for, so be careful that you don't bend and break those off, because I'm sure they have something to do with the digitizer and sensing your finger and all that. So just make sure when you're taking the glue off that you're not bending up the little tabs that go up and push on the display. It's important you get it all, because if you don't, the screen will pop up above the bezel, then it'll catch on everything. That's a pain in the butt. Just run my screwdriver down, make it get a good, nice seal. Okay, there's a new screen. Now it's not turning on. Must be dead. And there we go. Looks like it's working. Unable to activate Face ID, probably because the generic phone. Important display message. Unable to determine if your phone display is genuine Apple part. Go to settings for more information. So let's see here. It's just telling me that it's not a genuine part. But that's okay because Apple don't sell their screens to other people, I guess. So let's go ahead and clean this up here. Probably helps if I go ahead and do that. These things are such a pain in the ass to get just right. Alright, as you can see, it's back working. Everything's active, everything works. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you need a good screen, the link will be down in the description as well as the earpiece. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and want to follow my process, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Hey man, while you're at it, check out my other YouTube channels. The Stay Home Dad, the Backend Handyman, the Dorser Family, and the Average Stoner. Just a little bit of what I do from day to day as a stay-home dad.